This is one of the turkeys. Yum. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yummy. That's bad. Sorry.
This is Christmas.
This is Christmas. Christmas.
That's Thanksgiving right there.
The white one. You're gonna be a giant. You see the babies? Don't run, don't run. Oh, don't scream, you're okay. This is one of the chicks. Why is your head wet? Oh, you were drinking water, that's why. Don't be scared. I'm not gonna eat you, you're gonna lay eggs. No need to be scared of me. Come on. I wanna grab that nice dark one I was liking. Where is it? Come on. One of these have got to be a silky. Come on. Who's the silky over there? Oh. And that's our meals. Right there. That is after the water. So when we decide to get meat rabbits, that's what these will be used for once we move the birds. So this will be a bunny hutch.